Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello everyone, so today we're going to show you how to make mango pudding with vanilla flavor. My name is Rio.
My name is Mahishal Aziz.
My name is Haniya Harum.
My name is Deevan dan Wibisono.
Without any further ado, let's get started.
The required ingredients are pudding and flour, mold, pot, spoon, and water.
First, put mango pudding powder in the pot with 500 ml of water, then mix well.
Next step is turn on the stove and stir well until boiling.
After that, pour into the mold and wait for it to cool before putting it in freezer.
To make the vanilla flour, we need to boil 200 ml of water.
After that, pour the flour powder to boil and add little by little water.
Stir well the mixture until the texture becomes smooth.
After that, put the mango pudding and the vanilla flour in the freezer.
Mango pudding with vanilla flour is ready to serve. Yay!
Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for watching.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Haniya, join the scene. Mahishal.
Semangat ya Mahishal.
Ya kompornya bisa disetengahin deh.
Bisa itu setengah aja.
Ini kayaknya masih yang 3 tadi deh. Karena panas sekali. Panas sekali deh sumpah. Deh.